Did you know this unique mushroom can help boost your memory, focus, and overall brain health? Meet lion's mane, a powerful medicinal mushroom used for centuries to support cognitive function and nerve repair. It's a fascinating natural wonder that could be the key to unlocking a sharper mind. Lion's mane, or Hericium arenacus, gets its name because it looks just like a lion's shaggy mane. It's native to Asia and has long been valued in traditional medicine for its potential to enhance mental clarity and protect the brain from age-related decline. For centuries, people have turned to this amazing fungus not just for food, but for its powerful effects on the mind and nerves. So, how does it actually work? Lion's mane contains special compounds called heracenones and aranacines. These are the real heroes. They may stimulate something called nerve growth factor, or NGF, which is a protein that supports neuron repair and regeneration. Think of it like a personal trainer for your brain cells. The benefits are incredible: improved memory and focus, enhanced cognitive function, and even protection against oxidative stress and inflammation. Some studies even suggest it can offer support for mood and anxiety, helping you feel more balanced and calm. It's like a full package deal for your brain's well-being. Wondering how you can add this to your routine? Super easy. You can take lion's mane in several ways. The most popular is a powder form. Just add half to 1 teaspoon to your water, smoothie, tea, or even your morning coffee. If you prefer something more convenient, you can find it in capsules or extracts for a quick daily dose. You can also mix the powder directly into your food, like yogurt or oatmeal. For dosage, it's best to start small. Begin with about half a teaspoon, which is around 500 milligrams. And then you can gradually increase to 1 to 3 grams per day to find what works best for you and achieve optimal results. Now, to get the most from your lion's mane, there are a few tips to keep in mind. First, consistency is key. Take it every single day to let the benefits build up over time. Second, combine it with a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, getting enough sleep, and eating antioxidant-rich foods will amplify its effects. For potency, look for a hot water extract, which makes the beneficial compounds more available for your body to absorb. And most importantly, be patient. The brain-boosting benefits aren't instant. They tend to appear gradually over several weeks of consistent use. So, is it safe? For most people, yes. Lion's mane is generally considered very safe with few side effects. In rare cases, some individuals might experience mild stomach upset or an allergic reaction, like skin itchiness. If you know you're allergic to other types of mushrooms, or if you're currently taking blood-thinning medication, it's always a smart idea to consult your doctor before adding it to your regimen, just to be on the safe side. Your health professional can give you the best advice for your specific situation. So, why not add lion's mane to your daily routine and give your brain the incredible support it deserves? Remember, combining healthy habits with the power of lion's mane can help you think sharper, focus better, and protect your mind for the long term. It's a simple, natural step towards a brighter, healthier brain. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on natural health and wellness.